Merry Christmas.
Start.
Merry Christmas.
Sure? How many are you eating? 3 cookies together.
And one is half.
Sure?
One fourth one is cut it up.
Oh my god.
I'm going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And guess what? This is very healthy because it is made up of whole wheat flour. First, I'll be adding all the dry ingredients to this processor. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of whole wheat flour.
This is atta.
Atta. Now, I'll be adding baking powder.
How much is that? 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, yeah.
1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon.
Baking soda.
Okay. Then
2 tablespoons of maida.
this is 2 tablespoon
Maida.
refined flour. 2 tablespoons. And some
1 pinch of salt.
salt. Tap it, tap it. Okay. So 5 things we have added, no?
Yeah. Whole wheat flour, maida, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I'm going to dry mix it just for a second so all the ingredients get mixed up well. That's it. Friends, no problem if you don't have this. You can take a large bowl, you can add all the ingredients and you can make biscuit. I'm going to be using 1 cup of unsalted butter which is at room temperature. Please don't use frozen butter directly from the fridge. Now I'm going to add it to the flour. This is softened butter. Next I'm going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. This is normal granulated sugar which I have blended it in the blender. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional. Now let me run the blender and blend all this. As I said, if you don't have a processor, you can manually blend it with a whisker. You need to get this crumbly texture.
It's nicely crumbled, no?
To make the cookie dough, for which we need to add required amount of milk or water. I'm going to use milk. The texture should be similar to our chapati dough. I've added about 2 tablespoons of milk. If the need be, I'll add some more. Let me run it. This is done. Perfect. How nicely it's come together. Let me transfer it to this. While mixing the dough, you can also add chopped nuts like pista, almond and cashews. And of course cinnamon powder. I'm just bringing it together. It's already needed. The dough is very soft and buttery. Now let me start making the cookie shapes.
So what shape are you making?
Circle.
Circle? So I think we need to keep the thickness 1 centimeter. Show me.
Merry Christmas, friends. I'm making some Christmas cookies. While using food processor or blenders, please take help of an elder. I've got 15 cookies here and we need to keep them spaced out so they can expand.
So it's ready to go into the oven.
I'm going to bake them for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius.
I can.
Okay.
He increased the temperature. As usual, he increases and then it will get burnt.
No, I decreased. I decreased.
Why do you do this? Why do you do this?
Hi friends, wish you a very happy Christmas.
Say properly.
Hi friends, I wish you a very happy Christmas.
What are you planning to buy for Arthur?
Remote control car and history of cars.
No.
Buy him some common sense.
And also
Little common sense.
remote control car.
I'll not buy costly one. I'll only buy for 2 rupees.
What are you planning to gift him?
I'll buy radio control car.
Cookies.
How many?
15.
What are you doing with the lighter?
Lasering the cookies.
He's lasering the cookies.
Way of knocking.
The cookies are out of the oven. I've baked them for 20 minutes. They are very soft. They have to cool down.
Sure? How many are you eating? 3 cookies together.
And one is half.
Sure?
1/4 one is cut it up.
Oh my god.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to have 7 pieces. If I break them.
Who said?
Yeah, that's big.
Who made it?
అమ్మ వీడియో చూడమ్మా ఊరికి బ్యాడ్ బాయ్ అంత చూడు.
How is it? Is it crispy?
Give me please no. అమ్మ please.
So you have to first say how is it?
Nice. How
many cookies? 3.
Half. 3.5.
3.5 for me also.
Crispy, soft, buttery. I love the taste.
So it's made up of wheat flour.
Yeah.
Is it chewy or is it crispy?
Crispy.
Show me. Let me hear the crunch. Show how is it baked? Wow. Show the other side. Nice. Nice. Bite. Let me hear the sound.
Let's have it my youth Christmas.
Siri, wish everybody happy Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Friends, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And a happy new year, I forgot that. Happy Christmas. See you.
1,
Bye.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye.